Welcome everyone to the full 8-minute workout to recover your knees. This workout is 100% seated and absolutely safe, even if you are currently in pain. The root cause of knee pain is weak muscles. We are going to awaken the entire leg muscle system so it can support the knee joint. So, what is the root cause? Imagine your muscles are the support cables for your knee joint. When these cables get weak, the entire load slams down onto the joint. This is what causes the grinding and the pain. Our goal today is to awaken and tighten those support cables. Next, heel slides. This works your hamstrings. 310. Keeping your heel on the floor, slide your left foot back towards the chair. Feel the hamstring. Hold, and slide it back out. 330. Now the right foot. Slide it back, feel the muscle, and back out. Control, not speed. 350. Rest for 10 seconds. Well done.
Before we dive into our 4 main exercises, let's take a minute and warm up those joints. Seriously, don't skip this part. It's super important to get everything moving and ready. We'll start with our ankles. Lift your right leg just a bit off the ground. Now, let's do some ankle rotations. Slowly make a big circle with your ankle, going clockwise. Picture your big toe drawing a giant circle in the air. Nice and easy. Let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Now let's switch it up and go counterclockwise. Feel those little muscles waking up? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Time to switch legs. Lower your right foot and lift your left. Rotate that left ankle clockwise just like before. Keep it smooth and easy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's reverse it and go counterclockwise. You're doing fantastic. Now, lower your left foot. For our last warm-up, we'll do the gentle knee flex. Extend your right leg forward gently, then bend it back. This isn't about building muscle, just getting that knee joint nice and ready. Wonderful. And now, we move to our 3rd exercise, the seated hip abduction. This movement is truly golden for building stability around your knee joint. Go ahead and place your hands gently on the chair for support. Let's begin. On your next breath, slowly push your knees outward. Feel the muscles on the side of your hips, your glutes, doing the work. That's it. Hold that position. 1, 2, and now, just as slowly, bring your knees back to the center. Breathe evenly. That's perfect. Let's do that again. A 2nd repetition. Slowly open. You are training the exact muscles that stop your knees from caving in when you walk. Hold it right there, and gently return to the start. You are doing wonderfully. One final time. This is our last one. Make it your best one. Slowly open. Feel that gentle activation. And now, our final exercise, the seated calf raise. This is wonderful for your circulation, activating the 2nd heart in your legs. Sit tall, with both feet flat on the floor. Now, slowly, lift both of your heels up, as high as you can. Come up onto your tiptoes. Hold it. 1, 2. Feel the back of your lower legs working, and slowly, lower your heels back down to the floor with control. That's 1. Let's repeat. Slowly lift the heels up, squeeze, and slowly lower them down. Breathe evenly. This pumps fresh blood to your knees. Again. Lift up. Stay slow. Stay steady. And lower down. You are doing perfectly. Let's do 2 more. Lift, and hold, and lower. Last one. Make it the best one. Lift, hold. 1. Let's jump right into those hamstrings, the muscles that are super important for our mobility. We're going to have a blast with this exercise called seated heel digs. Seriously, it's such a great way to wake up those muscles and get them ready to move. All right, let's start with your right leg. Stretch it out nice and straight and plant your heel firmly on the ground. Feel that solid connection? Now for the fun part. Pull your toes up towards the sky. Can you feel that gentle stretch in your calf? It's like a little wake-up call for your muscles. Now here's the secret sauce. Gently dig your heel into the floor. Picture this. You're trying to drag the ground towards you without actually moving your leg. It's all about that controlled tension. You'll really feel those hamstrings kick in. And trust me, it's going to make you feel stronger and more flexible in no time. Keep at it, and let's enjoy this stretch together. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel afterward. So, are you ready to get those hamstrings? And now, for our final main exercise of the day, we are going to focus on our ankles. This is called the seated ankle rotation. This movement is absolutely wonderful for your circulation and for lubricating the ankle joint. It truly is the perfect way to support your knees right from the ground up. Let's start by lifting your right leg just a little bit off the floor. Good. Now slowly begin to rotate your ankle in a big circle, going clockwise. Imagine you are drawing a large, smooth circle in the air with your big toe. Let's do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wonderful. Let's switch over to the left leg. Lift it up when you are ready, and let's rotate the left ankle clockwise. This is so good for bringing fresh blood flow to your lower legs. Keep it nice and smooth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now, our final movement for this circuit. Please reverse the circle on the left leg. Excellent work. Go counterclockwise. You have just completed the full 8-minute recovery workout. You should be very proud of yourself for taking this time for your health. Now let's just relax your body with a quick cool down. Gently tap your thighs, just a light, gentle tapping down to your knees. We are telling the muscles thank you for their hard work. Wonderful. Now, let's take one big, deep breath together. Breathe in through your nose, raise your arms up, and slowly exhale. Lower your arms down. Feel your knees lighter, smoother, and more flexible already. Congratulations. You just trained the entire muscle group that protects your knees. Please repeat this every day. It's only 8 minutes. If your knees feel lighter, don't forget to 1. Subscribe to the channel, and 2. Comment below, I'm done. So I know you finished the session, and don't go anywhere. Click right here to watch the next video in our 100% seated series, Shoulder Pain Relief.